How to fix unusual network or device environment in WeChat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, simply scroll down and click on Apps and Notifications. After you click on Apps and Notifications, click on App Info. Here, simply scroll down and search for WeChat. After you find WeChat, simply click on WeChat. Here, simply click on Advanced, and if there is any option of background refresh, simply turn it off. After you turn that off, go to Storage and Cache at the top, clear cache and clear storage. Press on OK. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to fix unusual network or device environment in WeChat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.